Here's a wild quiz for you. What's the longest someone's ever had the hiccups? A 3 years, B 27 years, or C 68? You've got 5 seconds. Guess fast. The answer is C, 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and did untist up until 1990. That's over 430 million hiccups in one lifetime. Doctors were baffled and there was no cure. Think your hiccups are annoying? Try living with them for 24,820 days. Then you'll see what it really means to have the hiccups. Hit follow for more facts that will leave you speechless. Unlike Charles, share this with someone who needs some cheering up.